Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this BMW 116i SE Turbo. This is a 5-door model finished in titanium silver. First registered January 2012, 61 plate vehicle. Covered 31,000 miles. It was a category C write-off in September 2016. Put back on the road with 3 services completed. Last service done April 2018, which included new front brake pads and a brake fluid change. MOT is valid through until the 5th of October 2018 with no advisories. Very good set of tyres. The fronts are on 5 and 6 millimeters of tread, and Bridgestone rears are on 4 millimeters of tread. This is a 136 brake horsepower, 1.6 litre petrol turbo engine, averaging a manufacturer's claimed 49.6 mpg. The car features a grey cloth interior with ISOFIX location points to both outer rear seats, electrically operated front and rear windows, electrically operated wing mirrors, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, rear parking sensors. It has the auto stop start functionality as well as sport and economy mode. Radio, CD player with separate auxiliary and USB. The car will be supplied with a full set of tailored carpet mats. Thank you for watching this latest video brought to you by Berkshire Used Cars, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.